on, my sister. As coronavirus continue to wax strong, it came out with gun, bullets, armored tank. So shall we come out with shield, come out with armor to prevent ourselves, protect yourself from contacting this ugly thing called pandemic. Garlic, ginger, lime, lemon. Cut it, blend it, cook it, pour it in the jerry can and put in the fridge for 3 days. Then continue to drink it. Bring it out and warm it. Bring out your armor and shield. Don't be careless, don't be lazy. Fight on. We shall win this battle. Lime, lemon, ginger, lime, lemon, ginger and garlic. Blend them together and sieve it in the sieve. Pour more water. Cook it in the pot, like half of this pot. This one will be half of this pot. Pour more water. Don't allow it to be more concentrated. That is it. Keep drinking it. Sieve it. Pour more water. Then put in the fridge. Keep drinking it to keep yourself healthy, to boost your immune system, to fight on. Do steaming method. Do everything at your reach to combat this ugly situation we find ourselves. Home remedy is what is sustaining many people. Boil hot water, pour them in the flask. Bring out all your flasks. Then boil hot water.